Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review for the 7th of July. And we'll go ahead and start off with the dollar. And as you can see here, the dollar overall hit this resistance area based on the point figure calculation and went ahead and bounced off of it pretty sharply. So what we're looking at here is further weakness to the downside and a potential melt up for the stock market. But even that, with the fall of the dollar, did not help the overall closes with each of the major indices to the downside, except for the Russell. Look at that overall gain. So right now we're in kind of new territory as far as the valuation of the dollar and the strength of the dollar going forward for the markets. We do have an overall short entry for the dollar for Monday, and we'll see what happens if it continues to weaken to the downside. But what you're looking at overall is this huge M formation. It has potential, of course, to go all the way down to the RL270, this point figure, and the Z3 and Z3 excursion here. So this has a lot of potential target for shorting the dollar. And as you can see, the majority are crowded out, so this is a perfect trade for the crowding out of the US dollar to the short side. Looking at the VIX, it is not crowded out on the long side. However, it did shoot up, hit the RL270, and come right back down. 20-year, all of the basic major indices. We had an initial entry here, all to the short side, hit and stopped right at the point figure target. We have another M formation showing here of, alright, so there could be potential treasuries decline, and of course that's in line with interest rates rising. Looking at natural gas with potential recessionary type of indications going forward. Don't have a trade here, not in trend. However, started getting very toppy. What we do have is a head and shoulders formation here. Potential continued price action to the downside if the recession starts hitting. 2-year treasuries, again, all declined. Pretty much all of the treasuries started to decline except for the 2-year started to rise here against the overall trend of interest rates rising, but does have further weakness. But just bounced off the Z3 excursion. 5-year, same thing, continued weakness. 10-year also a lot of weakness here to the downside. Not crowded out short yet in terms of percentages. Looking at gold, it is crowded out to the long side, and we did have a nice profitable trade on Thursday. So what we have for a nice overall gain for GDXD on Thursday was $360 on 1,000 shares. Retail overall gain on Monday closed below, did not trade this, loss, small loss on $20 loss on Tuesday, nice overall gain on Friday. JDST again on Friday, $280 gains on 1,000 shares. DRN, one of the strangest tops I've seen here, does want to push up for, but it had the 200 and the Z3 excursion closed right at it on the Z3 excursion. However, still showed strength throughout and still above the dragon. Nice overall gains, 300 on Monday, 250 on Wednesday, the 4th of July week, and $150 on Thursday. Small overall $30 loss on Friday. Dust, same as with gold, nice $470 gain on Thursday. Lab D just keeps going up and up and up. What you have is an overall gain of $90 on Monday, $340 on Thursday, loss of $40 on Wednesday, nice overall gain, $60 on Friday. Defense still above the dragon. You had a nice overall gain, $290 on Monday, Wednesday, $310. Overall loss here for $40, and then overall loss of $90 on Friday. SDOW did fantastic. Nice overall gain, $140 on 1,000 shares. Monday was $80, $310. Opened well below here. Did not trade it because of this overall gap. Then went ahead and traded this one a $350 gain. TQQQ, same thing. Nice overall gain on Monday, 80, 530. Didn't trade this one. Traded this one at a $320 loss. FAST, same thing. Monday, 1,070, 870 on Wednesday. Opened below previous day. Did not trade that, but did trade $950 on Friday. FNGU, pretty much all over the map. And then had a nice $880 gain here, $2,570 gain here. Open below previous low, didn't trade it. An overall loss of $1,740. Overall gain for the week though. Yang just watching. Overall, China just being this huge choppy area here. This is bear. Drip, nice $419 gain on Thursday. Monday for TYO. Didn't trade this, was below the overall gain. Did trade this, nice $179 gain. TYO didn't trade this, well above Z3 excursion. Same with all the treasuries here. Did trade this one, $190 gain. Traded this one, $110 gain. TBF. TZA, nice overall gain here, $390. GLL, didn't trade this, but this was an entry for this one at $70 gain. And then no further trade. Same with TBX, $120 gain on Wednesday. Didn't trade these two, well above the Z3. Traded these, $450 above the Dragon. Green with nice momentum to the upside. Also traded this one, $280 gain. Did not trade this, it was above the Z3. Nice overall gain, $550, 1,000 shares. Above the Dragon, above the RL270. Again, these jumps on these treasuries were just absolutely incredible. So this one is $1,617 on 1,000 shares and $1,080 on 1,000 shares. Hits the Z3. This was well above the Z3 excursion. Didn't trade that. All the yellows have momentum in support. Gold, nice overall trade here above the Dragon. $730 gain on 1,000 shares. Nice above the Dragon. Once it gets above the Dragon, then it's good overall trading with the FTM in support. Well, folks, that's all I have for the stock indice week in review. If you're interested in these strategies and techniques going forward and education in both Python and PineScript, we include classes, include Forex trading, overall trading strategies for futures and stock indices. If you're interested in this, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday.
Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.